In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock Personal Vault on OneDrive account. Personal Vault is the extra secure area inside your OneDrive where sensitive files live, and locking it when you're done adds a strong layer of protection. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can do this quickly and confidently. Start on your Windows desktop. Press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. In the search bar, type OneDrive. When you see OneDrive appear in the results, press Enter to open your OneDrive folder in File Explorer. If OneDrive is already running, this will take you straight to your synced files. Inside the OneDrive folder, scroll through the list of folders and look for the one labeled Personal Vault. It typically has a distinctive icon that indicates it's secured. If you've been working in that folder, make sure any file uploads or edits have finished syncing before you lock it. You can check the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray to confirm there are no pending syncs. Next, right-click the Personal Vault folder. A context menu will appear. In that menu, move your mouse to hover over the OneDrive option. This expands a submenu with OneDrive-specific actions. From that submenu, click Lock Personal Vault. This is the command that immediately begins the locking process. At this point, follow any on-screen prompts that appear on your monitor. Depending on your setup, you might see a brief confirmation or a progress indicator while OneDrive secures the folder. When the process completes, the Personal Vault icon will display as locked, and its contents will no longer be accessible without re-verification. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If you're working on shared or public computers, always lock the Personal Vault before you step away, even for a short time. OneDrive may auto-lock the vault after a period of inactivity, but manually locking it ensures everything is secure right now. If you had any files open from the vault, close them first to avoid errors and ensure they save correctly before the lock engages. That's all there is to it. You opened OneDrive from the Start menu, located the Personal Vault, right-clicked to access the OneDrive menu, selected Lock Personal Vault, and confirmed any prompts. Your sensitive files are now safely tucked away, and you're ready to continue your day with peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and keep your data protected by locking your Personal Vault whenever you're done using it.